Today we're diving into QuickBooks, a popular accounting software that claims to simplify your financial management. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's see what it offers and if it's worth your time and money. QuickBooks is designed to help small to medium-sized businesses manage their finances more effectively. It offers features like invoicing, expense tracking, payroll management, and financial reporting. User interface is relatively straightforward, which is great for those who might not be accounting experts. However, as you navigate through it, you might notice that while some features stand out, others feel a bit clunky. For example, the invoicing tool is quite robust, allowing for customization, but some users report that integrating bank accounts can be a hassle. The intended audience is really small business owners who need a reliable accounting solution without hiring a full-time accountant. Yet, some advanced users may find the limitations in reporting and analytics frustrating. Overall, QuickBooks does provide a solid foundation, but there are definitely areas that could use a bit more clarity and improvement. On the plus side, QuickBooks is user-friendly and offers a wide range of features that can help streamline your accounting processes. The ability to easily generate invoices and track expenses is a major plus for busy entrepreneurs. However, there are some downsides. Some users have pointed out that customer support can be hit or miss, and the pricing may feel steep, especially for smaller businesses. Additionally, the software can occasionally feel overwhelming due to its extensive features, which might not be necessary for all users. If you're someone who just needs basic accounting, QuickBooks may offer more than you actually need, leading to potential frustration. But for those running a growing business, it might just be the right fit. In conclusion, QuickBooks is a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking for comprehensive accounting software. If you need advanced features and are willing to navigate some complexities, it could be worth trying. However, if your needs are simpler, you might want to explore other options that offer a more straightforward experience.